Hello friends, in this video we will write a program to generate a password and the only thing we will get from the user is the length of the password, that how much length the user need for their password. And if the length is long, obviously the password will be strong. So let's start. I have already created a folder called password generator, which is currently empty, and we will create our C file and start writing a code here. And as I have mentioned that we only need the length from the user, so for that I will declare a length integer variable. And after that I think we need to prompt the user that welcome to the password generator. Okay, sorry about that. After that we need to prompt the user, enter the desired password length, and we will get the we need to pass it by the reference. Okay, so we got the result. Sorry about that. And we will check that if the length is less than or equal to 0, then we will prompt the user that invalid password length, please enter a positive, or I think we will show limit password length, and we will add a new line here, and we will return this one because it's not a successful thing. Okay, so I think yeah, okay, now we need some kind of a function here which will only take the length, and the function will not return anything anything else. And we okay, I think generate password, and this function will only accept the length, which will be a type of integer. And one more thing, I'm really sorry about, in my past videos I have used the camel case, so I just realized that I should stick to the C programming convention and used the snake case for the function and the variable names. So from now on we will use, and we will make sure that the function and variable names should be in a snake case, not a camel case, because we have to follow the programming conventions. It's good for the industry and good if you write the software which is for any company, or there are multiple developers working on one software. So you need to stick to the conventions, just like if in a JavaScript you, for the function and the variable names, we use the camel case, and in the Python we use the snake case, and the same in the case for the C language. So we will stick to the snake case for the C code here. So I have use this prototype name generate password. Then what we will do here, yeah, sorry, and we will just use generate password, and this will accept the length. Okay, now what we should need to do. Okay, So as on the when we code a website for the web app, we use the password validation. Like on I'm sure that everyone sees this on a multiple sites, that the password should be should have lowercase or the uppercase or the special characters or the decimal numbers. So the strong password is all the combination of all of these. So for that, I think we should define everything, like all the numbers, the lowercase, uppercase, and the special characters for this our current program. And we will, I think, let's, how can we do that, like to generate a very strong password. I think we should do that, like we will use combine all of these strings, and on the basis of the, I think, length, we can get the characters. So let's just initialize the characters, I think, so we will get the better idea from that. And for that, I think we need to define a macros here, which will be a good approach here. And like we have numbers from 0 to 9. For that, I think numeric name will be, sorry what, okay, and we will do that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, what we need the numeric and lowercase. Okay, we need uppercase, string as well, and the last but not least, we need what we can say there, special, I think it's a password. Okay, so instead of typing, I think I will get all the lowercase letters. Okay, and for the uppercase as well, uppercase. And we also need we need a special characters, all the special characters I'll get from there. Okay, I have already defined the numeric values, and we need a lowercase. Okay, all the lowercase are there. Now we need an uppercase, and the special characters we need as well. Okay, now we are good to go. Okay, we have defined the numeric, lowercase, uppercase, and special, and we will use the combination of these. And by doing this, we will get a random number every time, not a random number, random character from these values. So I think, let me do this to make some space. Okay. Oh, I think we need to define a character of the variable name. All characters will be a good name, and this will be obviously an array. So we will use some kind of a clever approach here by concatenating all the macros we have defined. So for that, we need the, what do you have defined here above? The first one was numeric and lowercase, uppercase, and special. Okay, so in C, with this approach, you can concatenate all the strings, and it will be stored in all characters array. And we can, what do we else need? Okay, now we got all the characters. Let me just print all of these characters. So string, these are the string letters, and we will use all characters, and And as you can see, I have defined the snake case here for the variable name. And let's just test this out. Okay, generate password. Oh, sorry about that, we didn't call our function here. Generate password, and we will just simply pass the length. Okay, we will compile our program and we will execute it. Password length will be 10. Okay, and all the numbers, lowercase, uppercase, and the special characters gets concatenated, and obviously the person sign is at the end due to we didn't pass the new line, due to which we will get this % character at the end. Okay, so what we will do now, we will do that we got all characters. Now we need what we need here, I think for the random number we need the length of these characters as well, like what's the size, because in C each character is a 1 byte, so we have to calculate the length of these characters. What will be the best approach? Let me think about that. I think what we do here? What's the best approach? Okay, I think we will define a character for we need a size here. Okay, so for that set size, I think is the valid name for this, should be, and we will use the function size of, and what we will pass here, all underscore characters. Okay, so obviously size of will return the number of the bytes, and this will be a length, and it means it's an integer value, not a character value, so we will use a d, and we will check that what the character set size variable have. Okay, and we will compile our code, we will just run our file, and we will use 12. Okay, 87, we got the 87. Okay, and let me count these characters, how many characters we have. The string, I think we need string length. Okay, and we will pass the numeric values and all the lowercase, and wait a second, uppercase, and we will pass the special characters as well. Okay, no, wait a second, special characters. So I got the 86 characters. This, all these numeric, lowercase, uppercase, and special, I have count the string length, and these are the 86. Why I'm getting the 88? And let me confirm this one more time. I got the 87, but the string is 86. Okay, what we have used the character set and the size of all the characters. Okay, I got it. Now the problem is at every, like the string character set, the in C it have some kind of a terminator, or the null terminator at the end of the every string, with this the C knows about that this is the end of the string, so every string end with the this thing. Okay, backslash 0. So it's a null terminator. Okay, so with the C, so C knows about the string ends here. Okay, so I think what we need, we can simply do that by -1 this, and we will check this again. Now this time we will get 86. Now it's perfectly fine. Yeah. Okay, so now we have all the characters concatenated. We got the size. I will show you why I need the size, character set size. We need to seed the random number with the time 0 with millisecond. We will pass here, and okay, yeah, obviously we didn't import, and the srand will be in a standard library. Okay, and we will include for the srand, we will use the standard library dot h, and for the time we include the header for the time dot h. Okay, and okay, now we have seed our values here. So we will check the random number as well. We need a random number here, so we can use now a rand function here, and we will test this as well by passing the %d, and we will obviously pass the new line. We will pass the random number, and we will check that if we are getting the random number or not correctly. Yes, we got the random number perfectly fine, because we have passed the time 0, which is in millisecond. Now we need because we have 86 characters, so for the index we need from 0 to 86. For that we have the size, and we need to divide this random number, not divide, we need a reminder for that. And we will divide by this 86. So every time we will get the number from 0 to 85. Okay, from 0 to 85. Yeah. Okay, and for that we will loop. First we can pass generated password. Okay, and we will use a while loop, not while loop, where because we have the length, we know about the length, so we will use a for loop here, and we will use 0 and less than length plus plus. So now what we will do, we will generate a password. For that we need a printf, and we will, it's a number, so we will do that. Not a number, it's a character. Yeah, obviously it's a character, because we will use the all characters array here, and we will pass the index to that number. We will use a character here, and for index we will pass the rand function, and we will use a reminder for that with the character set size. So with this approach, from 0 to 85 we will get one time we will get 10, 15, 30, so we will get those characters and print it on the screen. And we need to add a line break here as well, so the % will not get printed on the screen. I think we are good to go now, and we can test that. Okay, so enter the desired password length. We will enter 10. Generated password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We got the 10 characters password. Generated password is looking fine. We will test this one more time, and this time we will use the, I think, a bigger length of 30. Okay, now we got a 30 length password. One more time we will test this, and this time we will use a 50. Okay, now I got a 50 characters password, and it's the difficult and the most complex password. Okay, so this is our simple C code, and this time we have used a snake case. Now our code looks more better, and we followed the C conventional style. And really sorry about my past videos, because I worked on different projects every day, working on the JavaScript, most of the time on the JavaScript. So thereby it was a mistake to use a camel case. And so this is a simple code. With this code you can generate a strong password and use it anywhere you want. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.